going on?
Come on! Rachel! Exciting! Here. Get video of this. Oh my god, your camera's gonna be ruined and it's not gonna be my fault. That's lovely, Alicia, and your camera's gonna be ruined. Your camera's gonna be ruined, God. Oh my gosh. No wonder you... You're crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. She's crazy. Good thing I brought a sweatshirt. Oh my lordy. Oh my lordy. And you're complaining to me? No wonder your mother gets so mad at you. Look at your boots! Look at your chaps! My God, Alicia! Oh God. Start running down trail. Oh my God. You're such a dork. Okay, I'm going inside now.
What?
I don't know. Ew, dead mouse.
Dead mouse?
I'm stroking Ollie.
Huh.
The guy picked up the mouse.
I'm gonna feed you the mouse.
Oh, I can't.
Oh. It's not even raining. Oh yeah, it is. Oh my! Big puddle. Rachel.
What? Oh my gosh, look at this puddle.
Jump in it.
Oh, oh my goodness. I got water in my boot. Awesome.
Dude, this is so going on YouTube.
Oh no! Oh my gosh. I cannot make that. Oh yeah.
Why is it raining in the summer?
I don't know. Great, I'm old. Oh, look at this one.
You're supposed to jump in it, not over it.
What happened?
The water is going through my boots.
Oh, look, another puddle.
Pony screaming.